So we recently added a ping pong table. It folds out of the way, which is really nice. But we needed a place to store all of our balls and paddles. So found this, love the rustic, old cowboy style saloon look of this. And so it came with this net. It does not come with the balls. I bought those separately. It does not come with the paddles either, but it has this net, and then you can see on the left is a paddle holder. So let me show you how that works. So paddles just slide right in like this, and there's room on both sides. So you can have a total of 6 paddles. And then again, it has this mesh bag, holds all these balls. It came with this eraser, and then it came with this white marker. So I have a lot of balls in here, so you probably don't need to hold all of these, but you can keep score on here. You could just write, and then it erases off. You could also just clean it. And then this is fake wood, really nice. It's not actually embossed in there, it's just printed on. So this is from JOOLA. So if you have a game room, really cute addition to store all your supplies and also just give it a really cool look, and also a way to keep score.